Okay, good morning everybody. Okay, for now we will learn about simple past continuous tense. Before we jump into what is the meaning of simple past continuous tense, I will play you a short video about things happen in the past. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so I will read you. It was 9 o'clock in the morning. Everybody in the town was doing their own work. But suddenly, a car crashed into a tree. Okay? Jadi, tiba-tiba ada mobil itu menabrak sebuah pohon. Everybody shared this news with other people. They said, mereka mengatakan, when the accident happened, ketika kecelakaan itu terjadi, I was doing my homework. Aku sedang mengerjakan PR-ku, katanya saat itu. Was doing, ya, was doing. Bukan I am doing, tetapi was doing, ya. To be-nya berubah menjadi was. Next. I was playing my guitar. Aku sedang memainkan gitarku saat itu. Bukan I am playing, but I was playing my guitar at that time, saat itu. We were having a great party. Kita saat itu sedang mengadakan pesta yang meriah. I was looking around. Aku sedang melihat-lihat saat itu. I was repairing my car. Aku sedang memperbaiki mobilku. I was waiting for my friend and reading the newspaper. Aku sedang menunggu temanku dan membaca koran saat itu. I was working in my office. Aku sedang bekerja di kantorku saat itu. I was mending the roof. Aku sedang memperbaiki atap saat itu. We were learning English. Kita sedang belajar bahasa Inggris saat itu. I was playing my flute. Aku sedang memainkan serulingku. I was making a phone call. Saat itu aku sedang telepon. Oke. Dari video singkat tadi, from the video, the short video, bisa diasumsikan bahwa kecelakaan dan aktivitas mereka itu terjadi di masa lampau. Tetapi bedanya adalah ketika kita menggunakan atau were, to be-nya berubah, ya, bukan am, bukan are, berubah menjadi was atau were, maka itu indikasinya adalah simple past continuous tense. Ya. Oke, sekarang we will jump into the next slide. I will explain to you. What is past continuous or progressive tense? Continuous and progressive itu artinya sama. Ada yang mengatakan continuous, ada yang mengatakan progressive. Continuous, progressive. It is an action at a particular moment in the past. It describes unfinished past actions that were interrupted by other events or actions in the past. Jadi, kata kuncinya adalah action at a particular moment in the past. Jadi, sebuah aksi atau kegiatan di waktu tertentu di masa lampau. Kegiatan itu diinterupsi oleh kegiatan lain di masa lampau. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia, easy Indonesian term is saat itu sedang. Oke, how about the timeline? Oke, ada garis tengah di sini artinya adalah present, the meaning is present. Ketika kita maju sebelah kanan, future, masa akan datang. Ketika kita mundur ke belakang, itu artinya past atau masa lampau, masa lalu. Was or were plus present participle. We were painting the fence. Kami saat itu sedang melukis pagar. Ya, ongoing activity, tetapi masa lampau. I was talking when he interrupted. Aku sedang berbicara ketika dia menginterupsi. Saat itu, sudah lampau. Polanya bagaimana? How is the pattern? Polanya adalah the subject divided into two. The first group is I, she, he, it. And the second group is you, we, they. Ya. I, she, he, it, to be-nya adalah selalu dengan was, tetapi kalau you, we, they, to be-nya adalah were. Oke. Lalu kita tambahkan verb ing atau present participle. Setelah itu baru ditambahkan komplementnya. Oke. Lalu apa itu? Verb ing ada dijelaskan di bukumu di Intan Pariwara, Bu. Oke. Next, what is verb ing or verb progressive or present participle? Oke, ada di bukumu ya, yang kemarin sudah Miss Intan share. Kita fokus di progressive formnya. Verb plus ing, accepting, adding, advising, agreeing, allowing, begging, semuanya ditambahi bentuk ing. Oke, bagaimana about conjunctions? Apa itu conjunctions? Conjunctions, the meaning is kata hubung atau penghubung. When atau ketika, atau until, atau sampai, itu polanya selalu diikuti oleh short actions, yaitu berupa simple past tense. Tentu kalian sudah paham di pertemuan sebelumnya sudah Miss Intan share apa itu simple past tense. Verb yang digunakan adalah verb to atau verb past. Oke. Tetapi ketika kita menggunakan while, ya, while artinya sama ketika ditambahkan dengan long action. Long actionnya apa? Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense masih ingat barusan ya? I just explained to you was or were plus verb ing atau plus present participle. Okay, let's do the activity 16, page 63 on your book. Fill the answers in your notebook. Mira sleep when her grandparents come. It's not correct, so you have to correct it. So you have to fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Ingat yang tadi conjunction setelah when maka diikuti oleh apa tadi? Short action. Short actionnya apa? Verb to. Verb to-nya come apa? Masih ingat? Do you still remember? Came. Lalu sebelumnya when. Sebelum when tentu di situ adalah we will see. Mira was sleeping when her grandparents came to visit her. Mira saat itu sedang tidur ketika kakek dan neneknya datang mengunjunginya saat itu. Okay, that's all for today. Hopefully this video helps you a lot in understanding the use of simple past continuous tense. Okay, have fun, enjoy this video, and have a nice day.